Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic railway gate operation system. In this project we are using two IR sensors. So here we can see two IR sensors and one DC motor and one pick microcontroller, and also using a buzzer and a 8293D motor driver. So we are providing the power supply through this adapter. It takes 230 volts of power supply and will convert up to 5 volts of DC. So that 5 volts of DC will be given to this pick microcontroller. So this pick microcontroller equally divide the 5 volts power supply to this all components, because this all components will be works on the 5 volts of power supply only. So 8293D or IR sensors, DC motor and pick microcontroller and buzzer also will works on the 5 volts of power supply. So now if we give the power supply, so the power supply will be divided equally to this all components using this pick microcontroller board only. So we are coming to this 8293D motor driver. So this is the 8293D motor driver which drives the motor based on the H-bridge concept. So we are giving the signals using this pick microcontroller. So we can see here signals. Using these signals we are giving the so we can see C0, C1 which is connected to the 8293D, and also we can see here two IR sensors are interfaced with the A0 and A1. So we can see here, and this DC motor is interfaced with the 8293D. So whenever the train comes nearly to this IR sensors, so it is a forward when it is come from forward side, and it will be then this gate will be open, and if IR sensor will be detected this side, and this gate will be closed automatically. Sorry, this is initially is in gate open position. Whenever train detect here, then this gate will be closed, and after train will be moved from here, then gate will be open. And the same principle in the right to left direction also works. So whenever this IR sensor detected, this gate will be closed, and this IR sensor will be detected, then this gate will be opened. Left to the right and right to the left, this operation will be done. Now I am giving the power supply right now. So we can see the buzzer alert also. So this is the normal position of this gate. So imagine this cardboard as a train. Now we are taking this one in a railway track. So this will be attached to the railway track. So whenever train comes nearly, then it will be gate will be closed. So whenever this IR sensor detected, then automatically gate will be open. So we can see. So this is the left to right position. Now I am taking the right to left position. So if the gate will be closed, then only remove the power supply. So in this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.